Hey guys, so in this video, let's talk about the GoPro Hero 10 Black, all of its new features and whether or not it's worth to upgrade your camera. At first glance, GoPro Hero 10 Black is almost identical to the GoPro Hero 9 Black, except for the blue logo from the front and a blue Hero 10 Black on the side. So GoPro Hero 10 Black is all about what's inside of this camera, as it has a brand new GP2 processor, so this camera is more powerful and faster. So I feel like with the GoPro Hero 9 Black, they kinda pushed this camera to its limit because of the old processor, and it simply couldn't provide enough speed and power for the camera to operate smoothly. So GoPro Hero 10 Black has finally a much more responsive touchscreen, so navigating through the menus, selecting different settings is simply more accurate and the overall experience is just better. However, when changing specific settings like ISO, white balance and EV compensation, I found that this slider is still a little bit laggy, especially in the beginning when you enter that setting. I also found that the front LCD screen on the Hero 10 Black is finally more smooth, it's no longer laggy as it was with the Hero 9, and no matter what frames per second or resolution you set this camera to, it's gonna give you a real-time preview. GoPro Hero 10 Black can now record in 5.3K resolution in 30 and 60 frames per second, which in theory it's really amazing because of what you can do with it while editing your video. But in practice, recording in 5K resolution takes a lot of space on your microSD card and your hard drive, and it requires a really powerful computer to edit your video. Also, when you record in 5K resolution with your Hero 10, your camera can overheat quite fast, so for prolonged video, that may be not the best option. I will definitely try to compare the 5K resolution from the GoPro Hero 10 versus 4K from the Hero 9 to show you if you can see even the difference. GoPro Hero 10 Black has doubled its frame rate as now it can record 5.3K in 60 frames per second, 4K resolution in 120 frames per second and 2.7K in 240 frames per second, offering buttery smooth video with hyper smooth stabilization. Unfortunately, for some reason, it still cannot record a 1080p video in 480 frames per second. I don't know why they decided to do this way, but we still only have 1080p in 240 frames per second. So horizon leveling feature has been improved, and this feature gonna help you keep your horizon perfectly straight as long as you don't exceed a 45 degrees angle. So if you are like me and you love recording follow cams of somebody walking, recording that travel content, then this feature gonna turn your camera into a gimbal, especially if you combine it with hypersmooth boost stabilization for best results. And finally, we have a new color profile called Natural. For so many years, when I was recording with GoPro, we had a very simple choice between either a very colorful or contrasty GoPro color or desaturated flat color. But there was nothing in between, there wasn't anything. Natural color profile should capture photos and videos with a more true-to-life colors. So if you don't like GoPro color, you think it's too saturated and has too much contrast in it, and you don't want to edit your videos using flat profile, then maybe it's something for you. I will definitely compare those on my channel. GoPro Hero 10 Black has also a new hydrophobic lens, so in theory that should help you get rid of that water drops out of your lens and keep it clean. So if you're going to do a lot of water sport activities with water flashing all around, then this may be perhaps something for you. I'll definitely compare those on my channel. Oh, and by the way, you can get it separately on the GoPro website for your Hero 9. GoPro also claims that the Hero 10 Black has enhanced low-light performance. Even though GoPro cameras are not the best tool for the job, well, some people use it for low-light. So I'm going to definitely compare whether Hero 10 is better than the Hero 9. Alright guys, so let's summarize it all now. So I really wanted to take my time before doing this video. I wanted to spend some time with this camera and learn more about it. So what do I think about it? As I previously said in the beginning of this video, GoPro Hero 10 Black is what Hero 9 should always have been. I think like Hero 10 is more of an evolution rather than revolution. Yes, it's great that it has a new GP2 processor and it allows for certain new features, but is it groundbreaking? I think that if you already have a GoPro Hero 9 Black, then upgrading to the Hero 10, well, maybe if you really want to have a much more responsive touchscreen. Other than that, you are just fine, unless you maybe want to have 5K 60, 4K 120, etc. On the other hand, if you already have, for example, older camera like GoPro Hero 8 Black, then that horizon leveling feature, this is something you really should look into. However, if you want to have a more budget-friendly option, then perhaps having a gimbal can be something for you as well. If you have any other GoPro camera such as Hero 7 Black and lower, then definitely GoPro Hero 10 Black is worth it. Alright guys, so I think that for today's video that's it. Now, if you have any particular question, you are curious about GoPro Hero 10 Black, you would like to see a specific comparison, specific example, please don't hesitate to reach either on my Instagram or write a specific question in the comment section below. Alright guys, so I hope that you liked that content, that you enjoyed it and you learned something from it. And if you did, then as always guys, give me a thumb up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't before, smash the notification button so you don't miss my future content and see you guys in the next one.